And I thank those of you who are embracing me and allowing me to give you gifts. And I want to also tell you something. That's a sign of trust. So thank you for your trust. It means a lot to me. Thank you for your trust. I also want to tell you something. In my experience, it's the people who move forward quickly and decisively that are successful. So the fact that you stood up and are standing here, feel lucky. And the fact that this woman, let me turn around and face the group, Sue Dyer, if you can't see her, raise your hand. She got up first, without any hesitation, didn't blink an eye, got up first. What if the gift was just a pen, Sue? Would you be okay with that?
Sure.
What if the gift was a hug? Would you be okay with that?
Oh, yeah.
What if the gift was... $100?
Sure.
Great. Thank you for playing. Thank you, everybody. Have a seat.
I want to give this to the foundation.
Did you hear what she just said? Get up here. Tell them what you just said to me.
I want to give this to the foundation.
Thank you.
Of course.
That's the gift. She just paid it forward, did she not?
Yes.
It's going to go to somebody who's in great need. Thank you. Oh, so do you think next time when I say gifts, you might want to come up a little quicker? Yes?